Juno's Happy Fun Day! Today we're going to open this Geosafari talking microscope. So it talks. Let's open it. Oh, instructions. Bye. Let's open it. Can I get some scissors? Thank you. Okay, we put all the batteries in, so let me show you what you can do. So, you press this.
Hi, I'm Vindy Alex from the Australia Zoo. Let's explore together. Let's learn about the microscopic world. Pick a slide and put it on the stage.
Okay, let's try to do this now. Let's push this and get a slide. Okay. Now let's slide into here. Oh, I think it's this way.
It snows when it gets so cold that water in the air freezes and turns into snow. Surprise! Snow is actually colorless. It just looks white. Let's learn another fact. Move the slide.
Okay.
Snowflakes form in the clouds.
Oh, that looks cool.
Snowflakes have 6 sides.
6?
Let's learn another fact.
Let's see. What does this do?
Pick a slide and
Whoa.
put it on the stage.
Two. Three.
Let's learn about let's take a quiz. Pick a slide and put it on the stage.
Here.
You chose snow. It snows when it gets so cold that water in the air 1. Drips. 2. Freezes. 3. Boils.
Maybe it's freezing. Let's press number 2.
Way to go. Let's try
We
another
were
question.
right.
True or false?
I don't know what this is. A cricket something?
If you fall asleep, pick a slide and put it on the stage.
I know. Calm down. Okay, second one. Is this a spider or something? Oh my god. Ew. That looks horrible. It looks like
You
a
chose the wood ant. Let's learn you chose the mosquito. Let's learn about the microscopic
mosquito.
world.
Okay, I thought that this can talk. Wow, it talks. Oh my gosh! And then if I saw the slide, it looked so big, and I thought, whoa. Okay, now